This is a second-hand KUBOTA U30 hydraulic crawler excavator. The KUBOTA U30 excavator is equipped with the original KUBOTA D1703E engine. The core components are all original. Tailless design for 360-degree rotation intact. Spaces. The working weight of the whole machine is 3,648 kilograms. The bucket capacity is 0.8 cubic meters. Boomswing function. Power is 18.5 kilowatt. Clean and amazing appearance. Mini excavators are flexible in operation. Used excavators are more cost-effective.